Alright, so update on Smooth Love Potion. I'm not sure why my chart didn't save, but I originally had something drawn like this, as well as something drawn like this. As I mentioned in my previous videos, this green zone of support has to hold. If it didn't, we'd probably see something like this play out. But as of right now, it looks like it's holding. I also mentioned that if it does hold this green support zone, that we'd likely see a move back into this Ichimoku cloud and a retest of this green box before potentially moving up to the upside. This Ichimoku cloud is quite thick, spanning about 180%. As you can see, as the price action moves ahead, it is getting smaller, so we have a better chance of breaking through it. We zoom out here a little bit, you can see we only had 2 touches of this so far. It's actually made a pretty nice play from this Ichimoku cloud touch back here. I think I entered a short around 3.8 cents and exited the position at around 1.8 cents, which is something crazy like a 300% profit with 5x leverage. And if any of you have followed me here from my TradingView page, you can see since February I've been talking about a move to 1.8 cents. I'm actually planning on making a video on how to use the Ichimoku cloud here in the near future, as well as other technical indicators. So if you're interested in seeing that, hit the subscribe button and it'll be on the way here soon. But for now, we'll keep going with the analysis. A lot of you are probably wondering what are the next moves for Smooth Love Potion. But if you haven't seen my previous videos, I mentioned that the mint versus burn rate is just astronomical right now. I mean, just today alone, we've minted 50 times the amount of coins that we've burned. So if they just keep introducing coins at this rate, there's no way, at least in my opinion, that we're going to be able to come back up to these previous highs. Now, this isn't to say that we won't break this Ichimoku cloud and kind of trade around this range, but if they keep adding coins at the rate they are, this is just going to keep going lower. In my opinion, if we break the red Ichimoku cloud bullish, we'll likely see resistance within this range right here, marked by the red box. This red box also lines up with the golden pocket on the fib retracement. Technically, we're not bullish until we get above this, the 618 and the 65 level. So if we do have a run up, I fully expect Smooth Love Potion to see quite a bit of resistance in this box, especially considering in our downtrend we found a lot of support here. So when we break it, I expect to find a lot of resistance here. So again, if this does break out of the Ichimoku cloud, I'd be looking at the 6 cent level. If it does not, we'll likely bounce off the cloud, consolidate back in the green box, and continue to go lower. You also have to remember that the more times we touch support or resistance, the more likely we are going to break support or resistance. I'm still leaning more towards the downside for this coin, mainly because of the mint versus burn rate issues I've outlined. But if Axie fixes the mint versus burn rate issues that I've mentioned, we could actually see a move back up to the upside and potentially even test these all-time highs, especially if the mint versus burn rate comes close to a 1-to-1 and the market cap increases. So this is all I have for Smooth Love Potion today. This is not financial advice, and happy trading.